Hello, hello. Welcome, babes. I'm back. I'm back to another Mary D and Almond's Life Adventures, guys. Look here. Look what my son made. Oh, my goodness. Who is that, baby?
It's one of CJ's characters.
One of CJ's characters. So he asked you to make it, and awesome. You turn it around, baby? Oh, yes. Made a little stand for it. Oh my goodness, guys, this is so cute. Look at that. Wow, wow. Awesome, baby. You did great.
Thank you.
Good job, baby. Good job. All right, guys, in a little bit, I will show you guys exactly some of the drawings that my son has made. And I think they look awesome.
Thank you.
Yes, baby, yes. All right, guys, we'll be back.
All right.
Hey, guys, just ran out to Walmart. Welcome back to all my beauties and cuties to another Mary D and Almond's Life Adventures. Guys, we just went out to Walmart. My son found this little remote control car. It was on clearance, guys, for $6.38. So he went ahead and picked that up. Alrighty, we also got 2 flautas and 2 corn dogs. My son did eat a corn dog on the way to the house. Alright, guys, on the clearance aisle, we did find this dryer brush. It was on clearance for $2.50. I also got 2 more of the frosted sugar cookie. I did get 2 of those. Also, I did get the juicy watermelon candle. It was like $5 and some change. And also, guys, I got the traditional hush puppies. I love my hush puppies. All right, guys, this juicy watermelon is from Maystay. Look at the color, guys. It is so pretty. I love the color. Oh my goodness. And oh, guys. That smells so good. You want to come smell it, baby?
Sure.
We'll get my son to smell it, guys.
Smells pretty good.
Smells good, right?
Not bad.
Not bad, not bad, guys.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10, exactly, guys. Oh my goodness. It smells so good. Also, guys, my son got him a gift card for V-Bucks. So he also got that, guys. Be right back. Also, guys, I had gotten some bananas and lemon. Alright, also we got some Kings River caracaras. They are red or oranges. And yes, guys. Sweet. They say they're very sweet. Alrighty. And the very last thing is the sip. Guys, I went ahead and grabbed 2 more. Today, they were $3.58 or 28 cents, guys. So I went ahead and grabbed 2. Yesterday, I believe they were 4 something or maybe 5. But yes, guys, today they were only like $3.20 something cents, I believe. So, guys, there's only 4 left. You better go out and get you one. Alrighty, babes. Also, like I said, we did get this. It was normally $9.94, and we got it for $2.50, guys. So, I just took it out of the box, and this is the way it looks. And yeah, so now when my son gets into the shower tonight, I could dry his hair and comb it out. So I've been looking for one of these for the longest, guys. For the longest. And they're usually too expensive. But I found one today for $2.50. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Queens and kings. Yes. So anyway, guys. There we go. There we go. Guys, let me show you my flauta. Have you guys ever seen a flauta? Let me show you guys. This is what I be eating, guys. These are flautas. If in case you don't have a Walmart or wherever you're at. And yeah, and in the middle, I'll break one for you, is cheese sauce. And what else is in here? I think chicken, guys. I think there's some chicken in here, maybe. I don't know. But all I know, it is delicious. Okay? It is so delicious. It is good. Good. Look here, guys. There goes my baby, guys. There goes my baby. Anyway, guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Until the next video, guys. And don't forget, remember, if you want me to clean my bathroom or the sink or wherever, guys, and with this right here, leave in a comment, guys, where you want me to clean at, and I will definitely go and clean for you guys. So, you got the car running, baby? We'll bring it out. Let's see it. There it is, guys. Look at that. You can drive it around?
Sure.
Hold on, guys. Let me turn you around. Guys, I am so tired. I am sitting here on the couch in the dark. And yeah, we just got back from Walmart. I just did the haul for you guys. And oh, guys, let me tell you, if you're out here at Walmart and you want thinking about doing a 5-finger discount, guys, y'all better be careful. The protection people are out and about and they're watching your every move. So just want to let you know, heads up. Anyway, guys, alrighty, guys, well, until the next video, I hope you and guys enjoyed this one, and be sure to, and alright, guys, you heard it from the man. He's in there making his, what are you making, baby? The what? The dot. So, alright, guys. I will insert some pictures and another video showing you all the creations that my son has made. And, yeah, guys. So, look forward to seeing that. Alright, guys. We'll talk to you soon. Bye, guys. Looky here, guys. This is too cute. Look. He's got his new car pulling his blue car on a trailer.
What's up?
Uh-oh. That is too cute, though. Good job, baby. I like the trailer.
Thank you, thank you.
Woo! Yeah, buddy! Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh my gosh. That is too funny. Oh my goodness. Wow. You see how much fun we have here, guys? We just have so much fun. Oh my goodness.
Just a little bit.
My son is something else. He comes up with the most greatest ideas, wonderfulest, whatever it is.
Thank you.
Amazing. That boat just swinging. I mean, that trailer. Oh my gosh. Wow. This is behind the scenes, guys. Oh my goodness. Wow. And he's off. All right, beauties and cuties. Went out to Walmart, developed some pictures. So I got my son, my daughter-in-law, me and my son, me and my son. And these are my son's drawings, guys. I think he did amazing. Absolutely amazing. Alright guys, just went out to Walmart. I found this book. It's 2,000 questions about me. And we found Hot Wheels. So my son wanted that. We also got some black and red fabric. And also a classic iceberg salad. And also, guys, we got a bag of rocks. So this book is pretty interesting, guys. Look at it. Is there any one product that has changed your life in a good way? Is there any experience you've not had that you regret not having yet? So maybe one day, guys, I could answer some of these questions for you guys. So, alright, guys. Look here, guys. My son took the picture that he made and he turned it into a figure. Look at this, guys. And he drew this picture all on his own. And this is the way it turns out, being a figure. Look at that, guys. He did amazing work. Amazing. Good job, baby.
Thank you.
Alright, beauties and cuties. I have to show you another creation that my son just made. And oh my goodness, it looks absolutely amazing, guys. Look at it. Wow. And who is this?
It's Bonbon from Five Nights at Freddy's Location.
Wow, Bonbon. Awesome. You did a great job, baby.
Thank you.
Oh my goodness. Wow. Good job, baby. Good job.
Thank you.